Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to see private Instagram. So in this Instagram app, there is no way to see private accounts, or if you want to go with your Google browser and you want to use these sites, so don't do it because these all are scams website. So these websites are so risky, so just don't go for this. Then if you want to see the private account, then just go for your account and make a new account, fake account, and person search for that person and just go for follow, and she or he or that person can't figure out who are you. So if you go for follow her, then you can see all of the person's posts and videos. So this is how you can just visit or see private Instagram. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.